Hi, my name is Thea. Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Boo. Boo and I are going to do some Pilates with you. I'm going to start with some roll-ups. So let's bring those feet out nice and long. And what I'm going to have you do is, if this is feeling like too much, you can always bend your knees, okay? So let's bring those legs out nice and long, or have a bend to those knees. And I want you to flat back. I want you to hinge it forward. And we're going to C-curve that spine. Let's come back. Flat back forward. C-curve that spine. Let's come on back. Flat back forward. C-curve that spine. Let's come on back. Beautiful. Let's get a little deeper into it. Let's reach a little farther forward. Let's lean it a little farther back. So just warming up here. Part of my Never Miss a Monday series. My idea is work out every Monday. Never miss a Monday. Never miss a Monday workout. Even if it's, one of these short 10, 20-minute videos on my page, just never miss a Monday. Work out with me. Get your week off started right. And let's lean it forward. And C-curve that spine back. You got this. Lean it forward. Ooh, C-curve that spine back. Now you can always be right here with those knees bent. Let's all bend our knees real quick. So bend in those knees if your knees aren't already bent. And we're going to C-curve that spine. Let's come on back. Sit it up nice and tall. Beautiful. So C-curve it back. And let's sit it on up. So we're just getting really into that pelvic floor here. I want you to think about pulling that navel up and in and really lean it back. Starting off nice and gentle. If you haven't worked out in a while, if you're kind of lazy, it's hot, summertime, there's so much to do. I know, I get it, but let's come back to the mat. Come back here. Let's be here together. Gorgeous. Ooh, all right, we're gonna straighten one leg. And what I'm gonna have you do, one leg bent, and we're gonna bring those arms out, palms facing up here. I want you to think about opening up those chests, grabbing like you're grabbing a couple pencils with your armpits. Grab those pencils, palms up. And we're gonna lean it back, and we're gonna sit it up. Gorgeous. So just pulling that navel in, keeping that chest nice and open, activating it here. Gorgeous. We're gonna be here for 6. You got this. Sitting up nice and tall. 5. Don't quit on me. And 4. Gorgeous. 3. Beautiful, beautiful. 2. Nice, nice, nice. And 1. Let's lean it back. We're gonna turn those hands back, chest lifted. Let's press that air down like you're dunking someone's head underwater. Really push, really strong here, chest lifted. We're gonna be here for 10, 9, exhale, 7, 6, 5, don't put on me, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's sit on up nice and tall. Let's bend that other knee. Let's open up those legs really wide here. We're gonna do some circles, kind of release that tension in your lower back. Take a big deep inhale through me through that nose. Big deep exhale through that nose. One more time, big deep inhale. Big deep exhale. Beautiful, let's go that other direction. Big inhale. Big exhale. Big inhale. Big exhale. Beautiful, all right, walk those feet back together here. We're gonna straighten that other leg. Beautiful, so palms up. Grab those pencils, C-curve that spine. Let's come back. And let's lift it back up. So I want you to think about spreading out those collarbones nice and wide, pulling that navel in towards your spine. If you're really feeling that lower back here, you can always sit on a pillow. Sometimes that really helps to take that pressure out of our tailbone, especially if you have a little pokier of a tailbone. If you're a little bit more of a dragon, you need a little bit more of a tail. Beautiful. Let's be here for 6. You got this. And 5. Don't quit on me. 4, beautiful, pull that navel in. I hope you're feeling that core. 3, gorgeous. And 2, and 1. Let's really lean it back. Let's turn those hands down. Let's find that pump. So pump it here. Give me a nice deep breath. Beautiful Pilates. Hundreds here, chest lifted. Give me 5, 4, how slow can I count? 3, you got this. 2, and one. Let's sit on up nice and tall. Let's open up those knees nice and wide here. Let's find those circles, breathing in through that nose, out through that mouth. All right, let's come back to that breath in your nose. Breathe in through your nose, out through that nose. Let's go the other direction. Big inhale, big exhale through that mouth. Nose breath here. Breathe in through that nose, out through that nose. Beautiful job. All right, we're gonna walk those feet together. We're gonna take those hands behind your thighs. I want you to grab a beach ball, like you're hugging a big old beach ball, one of those big old squishmallows. You're giving it a really big hug. Elbows are nice and wide. Collarbone is stressed out. We're gonna C-curve that spine. We're gonna lift up a leg, put it back down. Lift up a leg, put it back down. Keeping those arms nice and wide. You can use those arms to help you here, but I want you to really think about pulling that navel up and in. My cat is sitting over there, so cute. Chest nice and open, chest nice and lifted, and lift. You got this. We're gonna be here for 8. Gorgeous. 7, and 6. Don't quit on me. 5, 4, 3, and 2, and last one. All right, let's sit it on up. Take a breath for me. How are you feeling? Are you feeling so good? We're gonna do one more round here, and then we're gonna give those hip flexors a little bit of a break. So what I'm gonna have you do is I'm gonna have you C-curve that spine back, chest nice and lifted, spins. It helps to throw that hair back. If you don't have hair, just pretend. Just pretend you have gorgeous locks. All right, so lift that chest. We're gonna bring those legs up, and we're gonna bring that other leg up to meet it. Maybe this is your level here. Elbows wide. Start to find that shake here. Pull that navel up and in. If you'd like a little bit more advanced, maybe let go with one hand. Maybe bring it back, let go with one hand. Bring it back, maybe let go with both hands. And we're gonna hold it here. Holding it for 12, 11. I started with a big number. 10, 9. Find that shake. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. You got this. Come back to that breath. 2, and 1. Can you straighten the leg? Oh my gosh, you thought it was over. Can you straighten the leg? Oh my goodness. All right, are you ready for it? We're gonna come all the way down. Let's reach those arms up overhead. Let that belly rise up towards the ceiling. Take a nice big inhale for me. Oh my goodness. All right, bring those hands down by your side. You are such a rock star working out with me on a Monday. All right, let's bend those knees. I want you to walk those feet as close to you as you can get them. I want you to think about pressing your triceps into the mat. Lift your chest slightly like you're trying to pull those shoulder blades together. Chest open. And what we're gonna do is you're gonna take that hip bone. Think about where your hip bones are, and I want you to send them up towards the ceiling. Bring that booty all the way back down. Lift it up, send that booty up to the sky. You got this. We're just gonna do 10 here. So give me 10. Squeeze those heels into the mat. Watch those knees. Only thing moving are those hips trying to touch the ceiling. 7, press those triceps into the mat. You got this. Come to your breath. 6, and 5, and 4, and 3. I missed filming workout videos for you guys. And 2. I'm gonna be back the rest of the summer. I promised my Pilates class that I would have some regular Pilates videos for you guys to take. I'm going on a trip soon, so I wanna make sure that I have videos already posted for when I'm gone, so you can work out with me. And press. Let's peel it all down. Gorgeous. Okay, so straighten that left leg. I said gorgeous really weird, didn't I? We're gonna grab that right knee. And what I want you to do is I want you to draw some big circles. If you're feeling your hip flexor, you're feeling tight here, I want you to come back to your breath. Let's breathe it out. Let go of that tension. Breathe it out. Big deep exhale. Let's draw that circle the other direction, getting in there, getting it into that hip socket, finding a little bit of a stretch. You're starting to feel warm, not just from that June heat. Gorgeous. Ooh, all right, straighten out that leg nice and long. Let's find that other leg. Let's pull it in, let's find those circles. How does this side feel? Just taking a little mental note. Do the sides feel different? Why do you think that is? Do they feel the same? Do they feel better? Going back to those big circles. Just sneeze. Hey! Woo. Beautiful. Make sure you go in circles with both directions. All right, really pull that knee up and in. Now you're welcome to just leave your head on the mat here, and I encourage you to do so, especially if you have strain in your neck or you have osteoporosis or anything like that. Just leave your head down, or maybe put a pillow under your head. Sometimes that can really help. But what I'm gonna have you do, if you'd like to join me for the advanced, you're gonna peel your shoulder blades up off the mat. Push that rib cage down, so you're leading with that upper core. You're not pulling on your neck. Trying to bring your forehead to your knee. Bring that other leg up to hover. Let's switch it. Pull that navel in nice and tight. Gorgeous. We're gonna be here for 8, 7. Pull that navel in. 6. Got it. 5. Don't quit on me. 4. And 3. And 2. Last one. Beautiful. Let's have both those knees in. Let's rest that head. Shake it out. Let go of any tension that you were holding on to. Coming back to that breath. Coming back to that breath. Beautiful. Let's pull those knees in. And let's reach it out nice and long. Press that lower back into the mat. Find a banana. And squeeze it. Reach it real long. Squeeze. Oh, you got this. Hug it in. Beautiful. Reach it out nice and long. Hug it in nice and tight. You got this. Reach. Give me 8, 7, 6. Am I falling off my mat? 5, 4, and 3, 2. Last one. Reach, 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 reach. Beautiful. Let's hug those knees in. So this time I'm gonna have you take your hands behind your thighs, nice wide elbows, like we're hugging that big squishmallow again. All right, we're gonna kick those feet overhead. Roll it like a ball. Ooh. Really reach those feet overhead. Maybe the ball doesn't feel good on your spine and you wanna skip it and just be right here rocking side to side until we get up. But maybe you're really getting into it. I have a client who likes to make noises. She likes to go whoosh. So if you'd like to go whoosh, go whoosh. Woo! Sound effects always make life better for sure. All right, wherever you're at, come meet me in a tabletop. So we're gonna bring those knees right underneath those hips. Think 2 fist distances apart. Hands right underneath those shoulder blades. We're gonna press those shoulder blades up towards the ceiling with that chest drop. Now push that mat away, round the upper part of your back. And let that back sink into the mat. Gorgeous. All right, let's get a little more intense here. So I want you to really round your cat, round your back like you're an angry cat. Start to look towards your belly button. Start to tuck that pelvis in. All right, let that belly drop. Stick that tailbone out. Look up towards the ceiling. Beautiful. On your next exhale, round it up. Really angry cat. Pissed off kitty cat. You got it. Big inhale, look it up towards the ceiling. Try to articulate that spine. Flare that pelvis, make a small bowl with your lower back. Open that chest, look up as high as you can. Exhale, round it. Can get a little more intense in that spine. Look towards your belly button. Beautiful. Let's do 3 or 4 more at your own breath. Seeing how they feel. Maybe close your eyes here. Can you get a little more into it? Get a little more connected to your breath. How are you feeling? Beautiful. 2 more deep breaths. We're going to find our neutral spine when you're ready. Feel free to pause the video and do more of those if you need them. We're going to take our right arm. Let's reach it up towards the ceiling. Try to touch the ceiling. Bring it all back down. Left arm, reach it up towards the ceiling. Try to touch the ceiling. Beautiful. Let's alternate sides here. Opening up through those shoulders. Try to lean into that hand a little bit. Spread through those fingertips. Building that strength in those arms. Working on that flexibility in your back. Gorgeous. Reach it up. Oh, you got it. Bring it all down. Reach it up. Ooh. All right, we're gonna open up those knees nice and wide. Let's bring those big toes together. We're gonna press back through our hips, reach it forward. Bring that forehead to the mat. Now, if your forehead doesn't quite touch, you can always grab a pillow here. Taking a big deep breath. Let's walk those hands over to the right side of your mat. Maybe take that left hand on top of that hand, press it back. Big exhale. See how deep you can get into it. Let that head relax. Nice and gentle. Let's walk it over to that other side. Other hand on top of the other one. Big exhale. Beautiful. We're going to gently walk it back to center. Let's take a breath in the center. Trying to bring that forehead to the mat. Let's walk those hands to our side. Let's shake out that head. Maybe you have to take off your glasses here. Big breath. And we're going to roll it on up. Beautiful job. Thank you for joining me on this little workout. If you don't feel like working out, I get it. But let's try not to miss another Monday. Come back next Monday for another video, or do this video again and save it. I'm super proud of you guys, and hit that like button, smash that follow button, and I'm going to put out more videos for you guys. I'm sorry about my hiatus. You're amazing. I'm proud of you. And if you have any questions or are looking for a personal trainer, I'm your gal. Hey, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Thea. I am a personal trainer and Pilates instructor. We are gonna do a workout. Yeah. So I am so sorry for this long. I am so sorry for this super long hiatus. I have no excuses except that I kind of let life get in the way, and I wasn't sure if you guys were watching these videos or not. I haven't been getting like 30 views, so, but for those 30 of you that watch my videos, I'm back for you. Okay, so we are gonna